Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rahimul Islam Rafi, a digital marketing expert and also a student of freelancer Shahid Afridi Bhai. We all know him very well, Alhamdulillah. Okay, today I will be talking about digital marketing. Now, the question is, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brand to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. There are several types of digital marketing, such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, pay-per-click, search engine optimization, etc. So today I'll be talking about one of them, and it is social media marketing or SMM. SMM is the short form of social media marketing. So, what is social media marketing? Social media marketing is the use of social media platform and website to promote a product or a service. Okay, now I am including some important tips about social media marketing or SMM. Number one, choose the right platform for your audience. You don't have to be on every single social media platform out there. When you are constructing your social media strategy, consider which platform would work the best alongside your strategy. You want each platform to complement your brand and be the best performance to market your product or service. You should have an understanding of who your target audience is and how they would respond to each platform. Define your audience keys, demographics like age, hobbies, gender, occupation, etc. You could even send your email list a short survey on their social media habits. Number two, create accounts that represent your brand or your service or brand. Your brand should be represented well on every relevant social media platform. You want everything from your username to your account description to represent your brand. People will judge whether or not they want to follow you based on your social media profile picture, username, and description, as well as the content of your post. Your username should be connected with your company name and should be consistent across all of your social media platforms. It means you have to use one username in all social media platforms. Using different usernames for each platform can be confusing for your followers, and it will make your company harder to find different platforms. Your short description should be able to sum up who your company is and what do you do. Your description should be short and it should be like this, that it describes a lot about your company, what you do, and what your company is, what is its strategy. Okay, number three, consistently create educational and engage content. Content is key to social media marketing. Depending on the platform, you might produce different content, but it all should be educational and engaging to your audience. Number four, promote. Often companies think their job is done when they publish their blog post or upload their white paper to their website. But when it comes to content, promoting is the most important step. How you promote your content on social media can determine the success of your content. You want to promote your content across as many relevant platforms as you can. Add social icon to your blog and website to make it easy for people to share your content, and use hashtags when appropriate to get your content featured in relevant searches. By promoting your content all social media platforms, you will be able to expand your followers, get more visitors on your website. Number five, interact with your followers. It's no surprise that social media is all about being social. Interacting with your followers will help you create positive relationships. Communicating with your followers will also help you to grow more loyal follower base. And loyal followers can be some of your best advocates. Responding to messages, comments will show your followers that your company care about their opinion. You can also engage your followers by asking questions and creating opportunities that encourage interaction between your company and your follower. You should keep in mind that your interaction should add value to your brand and give off a good impression, even if you are answering a negative comment. That's it for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Goodbye and assalamu alaikum.